done finishing last video, why I stopped is because, well, my mom and her friend Joy were going to leave. And I couldn't allow that because the dog was going to get out. So I put the dog back in his cage and I was filming again. Got the new, and actually I got the same ball from yesterday. Well, it seems like yesterday. Oh, gee. That's not good. Because that's dripping water. If that's dripping water, that means I'm going to be in kind of serious trouble. Oh, gee. Oh, good. Oh, good golly gee. Save me. Save me. Save me. I'm trying to not to move my leg that much, so I can just catch all the drops of water before I have to clean up the whole house. There's probably going to be mud everywhere, because I'm stepping in a sandy ground. Now that's serious damage. Okay, so I am kind of scared of this, since that was a water bottle. And if you saw how far that shot, I was scared because I thought I was going to get water all over the house. So I just kept as long as that's on that side or that side or that side, I'm safe. But on this side, I'm kind of screwed. Make sure this is a zoom mode. Yeah. All right. Did you see that I squeezed the bottle? So there's my uncle, and he's having some coffee. Of course. And of course, I'm going to be refilling this bowl wash that could cause some more destruction. At least this is helping Mother Nature. Because, you know what? This is full of water. And every time it explodes, water comes out and waters the grass. Well, some of the grass. It's like a gift. Natural gift. This may not be that rubbish. What? I'm gonna put this in zoom mode so you get the maximum experience. It looks really big. It looks kind of big to me, but to you it's like the jug of water. Oh, that looks so close. Do you see the water? Where's the water bottle at? Oh, there it is. I think I had a good shot there. It looks like there will be some super severe damage from the impact shot. So, my video is probably preparing right now. So I talk about getting cleaning, and I don't get money for cleaning. So that's why I'm really, really mad and stubborn. No, I haven't told these for next week. I'm asking my aunt for a toy. My aunt. No, I don't have an aunt for that. I'm asking like the person aunt. That looks like that bleach bottle. That looks like a bleach bottle. Now, yesterday we did count down how many we did last time. I'm gonna say say about 4. Tell me how many you did last time, then add that number to how many we did this time. Well, at least there's a sink up here. Bird crap all over this. Or poop. Not being demonetized is a hard job. Especially this kid that always likes to chuck bottles from such a height. Next one, they would just say about killing a crow. They could kill a bird, I'm gonna say, since you know, right? That shot water, and soon the cap will break off. But once the cap gets flimsy, it'll just shoot off the cap. And if we swing it, then all the water gets out and fires in the cap and the rear direction. So I'm kind of scared. I want to do a 360. And that was the second time. 1, 2, 3. No, that was the third time. So 6. 6. So 6. What is that? 7. 6 or 7? I'm thinking 7. 7? Yeah, 7. 7. So this is gonna be number 8. And I feel guilty. I am guilty for dropping a water bottle. I feel guilty for breaking this bottle of water. Let's just check out the severe damage while I'm going upstairs. Yeah, that's pretty damn severe. Well, don't like that. Unless we say bad words, so his fault. Oh, that's pretty severe. And that's severe enough. Then it's severe. I still feel guilty. Putting that was red-eyed, rather. Then I'll feel the guiltiness, so that was 8. Yeah, I hope I don't feel guilty after this 8. If I don't go to court. 8. I'm fast. Actually, if it was falling, it would shoot here. But since there's this backboard, it cannot. She equals E equals MC, she just kidding. E equals MC squared times that. Oh, yeah, and wait. Mass times the speed of light. So this mass, which is about 1 foot, so this 1 foot bottle is going at the speed of, say, 10 kilometers an hour. So most people here are probably 10 miles an hour. He's probably going 10 miles an hour. So if we put that together, then this mass would equal the energy force of. Let me just think about that. An energy force would equal the energy force of. Forget. Then kinetic energy rises once all the energies are made. And after all the energies are made, kinetic energy starts being made. Then kinetic energy, once you hit the ground, then that turns into energy. So this is applying a lot of energy into the ground. That's 9. I don't want to film the next one because I'm planning on doing a 360. since that's gonna spray water everywhere. That's really not the good place. I'm waiting for this to like completely explode. I mean explode. So this thing explodes. See, that's what I'm talking about. There's backboards, which are the staircases. That's Sophia. So, building some
amazing flavors. You have wages and cream. You have gods and jobs.
Just don't copyright me, okay? Please don't copyright me. Please. Okay, let's try not to. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. See you guys later. Bye. See ya.